local sports e ko mbedi mo kura bi kura e bre ye bra e se bari ye wo bia no gotam kutu say de ne pa e bro from 30 so ye mo isiri mu nkan sim bia ye fabricate story bia wa ha story bia ba bia ne from original source and so you can face out we ye Kotoko we ye Hasofuku we ye bia no ba bi bia ra team bia support bia no ye be bo mo de anse ye benya ho nsem bari bia news no bia so no na ye dia bro ma so what de ko so
abusuafo ye mo bi akwa ba edeba Daakyehene Kwaku TV so enedwe ebre aso se ye de agwekanse mu nsem ebre mo Daakyehene Kwaku TV so intentem so ye be sha se free GFA Congress ye course so na ma wure mfi se honorable minister honorable Mr. Fa Yusuf ekopiem ewase na okasa kakra o se de okanyina say it is my hope that after this Congress GFA will make a decision that would strengthen our football. As one on some working in answer on the who say after this Congress, no GFA, ebe ma ye football ne Ghana hano et me emu aye de papa. Na Kotoko na oye president at the Ghana Football Association, e kasai or kansen bebre. Na nsem ni bini de working in answer, it is my humble pleasure to invite you all into a deeper exploration of Ghana football philosophy as we continue laying the foundation for Ghana's resurgence as football nation. But to Africa said the implementation phase of this project is vital. I remain confident that members of the technical sector, that is coaches, technical directors, sports teachers, physical trainers, and many other within this category can transform our football as they remain essential in the change we aim to see in our football from this day onwards. Each Premier League team must now own a coach team. The AFA will support this project by giving each club 50,000 and additional 25,000 for fielding 2 coach players in 15 matches in the Ghana Premier League. $100,000 will be invested to purchase footballs for the over 5,000 coach teams in Ghana. Soon, Pram will see physical development that will house our national team. Division 1 clubs will each now receive 80,000 Ghana cedis next season as incentives. We are committed to fixing coaching problems in Ghana. 50% discount will be offered to our ex-national players who want to engage in coaching education. Payment of officiating in Ghana Premier League will now be on weekly basis. We earn the respect of the whole world after qualifying for the 2022 World Cup after what happened at the 2014 World Cup. We will invest $200,000 in our Catch Them Young referee development policy. Also, to us a Division 1 league facing the fundamentals. Let's say here Division 1 so the Okanyina say obe provide buses ama all Division 1 clubs and also a bit more or more transportation. I feel that the Ghana football philosophy is launched. How Ghana should be playing has been identified in this book. If a book where the picture say nay Ghana philosophy, Ghana style of play ni nyina no e wo say book mu nay enche bia no ye behunu say Ghana football no ye style of play ni nyina asesa said the opposite who said esi ebebo ye ball and na kakra ka bi animu ko edi a onya book bi kenkan a obehunu Ghana football said ye ball no ebesi asesa ko nyina was a Bet Power Premier League 2023-2024 season will begin on 20th September 2023 and also in Samoa every Kotoko at the Ebre Congress e course na otwe mu na Daakyehene Kwaku abono tofa e de amamu ye to aso won se fufuro ma na ye to aso FIFA World Cup 2026 preliminary draw IBP mu no mema we say nay ya standing participant in Africa group 9 and isi yensaka na Ghana kopi mu group I and the group I no ye wo 1 2 3 4 5 6 countries are ese bakopen ese o top group ndi oba top no wa qualify automatically our World Cup 2026 no na de obeka o mana ye 10 amana kopi mu World Cup no eye playoff we be koso no or the obeti ma win this playoff no kwa kan 9 no ho na akoye 10 from Africa am be represent e World Cup no na group I no Ghana e wo mu no ye wo Mali wo ho Ghana or Madagascar, Central African Republic, Comoros and Chad. We any countries are ne Ghana no makopi mu aye pedi obehura di kan a okwaku gina na mu e Africa nyina wo wake up wakansi ebe so America 2026 no asamojan so ekopi mu draw na se okopeke Ghana amankofo hu ni se e odi ekototo yie lack epie mu ho de maye papa asamojan so de nsem etuju after the draw the okanyina say since 2006 when we qualified for the first time we have been very consistent except in 2018. We are getting used to qualifying. 2026 won't be easy, but we will try our best to qualify. GFA Technical Director Bernard Lippert or the Zambia Betuja. I think we in Ghana here talking too much as people. In Africa, most of the countries are ahead of us, and we think we are still football powers. We need to work hard. And some of you can say, "You Ghana who you say that's why a strong say maybe a tremor and sentesa or no they need to form African countries in be far better than us." As a year you might it me put you up good performance and yes idea you because at na so far under 20 team no every tournament course so no our Cote d'Ivoire is more free more my fears and say results you copy no na enye nika ebi won so say fine a preparation a prepare Ghana first match against Niger obo 1-1 or oni Burkina Faso Burkina Ghana come you know yentimensi madabraka Ghana ni Ivory Coast ebo 1-1 enso so elho na ma yetimi di free me performance e ko butu no hono enso so under 20 free or tournament in 2022 FIFA World Cup club benefit program e course so mema wo mfi se yenya class bi o mo represent o mo World Cup no enya local players bi say dan lad ne free ban ne other players almost no more local side o mo free akoye no teams na benefit from FIFA World Cup sika PM no krobia enya $200,750 $7.97 Dream says is enya $18,250 $72 House of Folk also enya $219,008 Kimfis and Swenya $18,250 $72 and a Steva FC Swenya $109,504 $35 and so normal and then any sika be pimama local clubs na and no mubutum aye the year papa. You see Alasan Chipsa, we are seeing now 6 and then Sembia to Jeffa Krobia Kumada Asante Kotoko and now Bordo ko Echna Bordo ba dear Chips are ekanyina say yetimi emma the next board of ebano more years no mutimi ye consistent ebetimi aboa ama krobia kuma hande Kotoko team no etimi agina na so biu anso hwa Eric Bequin danger Bequin former striker de makrobia kuma Asante Kotoko so ekan bibi say ono so why ready say krobia betun safre na nkon de obeye strikers coach say o goalkeepers coach dia yetiminya strikers coach so eno so betimi aboa onso hu ne say ni nim dia mire bi atwamu no yusu ede shegos do de makrobia no obetimi dia ma young chaps na eba no ama omo so omotima clinical e wo anim in terms of goal scoring it is a krobia betun safre na ono danger Bequin no aye krado yi papa Memorial said the newly promoted Ghana Premier League side, but for Kwatano have confirmed Frimpong Manson as their new head coach. Nelson and Samoa, if you hoba, and Samuel Dawson, a Hana Berry man that Chiniqua coin. I'm all the more see all that Chiniqua TV so. Obaso akoso share video no send them out for no monte and hunu Samoa a tregu or that Chiniqua TV so. Until then, stay focused and stay blessed. I love you all. Bye bye.